Okay, we can hear all the work going on over there. It's getting very exciting. Slabs in, and I think Thursday building's coming. Over frame building. So that's the slab there. Just breaking up the concrete. Pretty good. Now let's look in the workshop, see what's going on here. All very exciting. What machines have I got? How's it looking? Are you ready? Here we go. So we've managed to clear, not easy, but we've managed to clear the workshop of everything so we could hit it with a new floor paint in one hit. Some water-based floor paint that I found, made in the UK. Anyway, it looks pretty cool. Smells really good. So we're going to decided to paint the walls, bottom section of the walls this grey now. Let's try and tidy it all up, get rid of all those silly services. All going to be rewired now. Electrician's coming tomorrow, and then some new machines are coming, and I can't wait to show you what it is I've bought. Some of the oaks arrived, looks amazing, so let's show you that. It's all getting very exciting. Dave the electrician's in there doing the three-phase supply to the workshop now, brand new, so that's really cool. Let's have a look. Okay, this is part of just the trusses. Now this wasn't made in England. I know most of my stuff is, but it was just really, really expensive going with a full English frame, but I am so impressed with this. This is French, but look at the detailing on it. It's absolutely amazing. Can't wait to see that up. These are the parts of the trusses, look at that. Insane. Apparently the tolerances are like 1 mil. Very different, the way they've kind of CNC'd this out instead of using the chainsaw mortiser. These are the little saddle stone type things, stones to go on. It's incredible smell as well. This is just a tiny bit of it. They're starting on Tuesday next week. You can look here, so cool. Details, I'm loving that. Slabs in here, which is going to be the shop, as I've said before. This is 6 meters. It's got a 1 meter overhang, 6 meters by 12, and this is basically going to be where my Mega MFT is, glue ups, assembly room, all that kind of thing. Underfloor heating, so it's going to be a warmer part. Going through the old doors, you know, that's going to be just the machine room, just for cutting, planing, sanding, all that business. This is a bit of a secret here. Let you in on that soon. It's going to be a new part here that we've put in. Can't wait to tell you what's going on here. One half of it's going to be my new resin room, so nice and air conditioned, etc. This thing here is something that I bought before the fire, a machine. It's in China. It's now on a container on its way over. I'll let you in on that, and you'll be following my journey. Let's just say I won't be using a router sled anymore when that arrives. So that's that, and then we're going to be able to load. This section missing here is going to be bifold doors that I don't think you've seen me make them, but I did video them. I made them before the fire and I didn't assemble them. Just some tenons to cut. So that's going to be the way in. This will all be leveled up. So I'll be able to get my slabs from my yard, wherever they are, drive it in here, put it on the machine, take it through there, work on it, or take it through their machine, it, sand it, whatever. So yeah, the layout's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be interesting. Having all these different sort of areas rather than one big empty shop. And then what we've managed to do, this was the room, I don't know if you know this room, this was the fuse box room, and it had my compressor. Everything's new now because this was all wiped out, so we've got some pretty impressive, the front panel's off, but we've got some lovely new distribution units, massive three-phase here. I can't remember what it is, but it's something like 300 amp feeds. It's really, it used to be a grain dryer here years ago, so the electric here is insane. So that comes through here, and then this is the new distribution board for another cool looking spaceship thing for the shop in there. So now we have our own distribution board and we don't have to keep going in. And then this is going to be the compressor here. So we've got rid of all that stuff. That was a horrible room, and it's all going to sit here, compressor, electrics and whatnot. Okay, that's it for this one. Just a quick update. Just wanted to show you where we are, what's going on. I'm hoping to be in the shop next week. I've got 2 tables for Christmas I've got to make. They're not resin tables, just be resin in the defects. One's 2 meters by 2 meters square. That's going to be quite interesting, massive thing. and the other one, that's oak, and the other one's chestnut. The wood's been in the kiln now for 2 or 3 weeks since the client saw it. They just okayed the drawings last night for the base design, which is my spider leg design, but I've had to tweak it for the square table. Did it on Fusion, so I might show you a little bit of Fusion 360 as well. I'm no expert, but I'll give you my little guide to that. Hope you're all safe and well. Until next week, another update coming then, see what's going in the shop. There is new kit arriving. Really excited to get in there and start working again. Until the next time, see you all later. Thanks for your support as always. Bye.